In this video, you will know exactly how to filter out your home IP address inside the Google Analytics so your data isn't contaminated by you working on your own site. So to do this, log into your Google Analytics account and pick the website that you want to configure and simply go down to Admin and go down to Data Streams. So the layout has changed significantly since GA4. What you would do is go to Data Filters, and here is where you can create filters. Click on Create Filter, and then click on Internal Traffic. Here, so for the name, just name it to Home IPs. So for the parameter value, you would delete internal and type in IP address equals. Now you can get this operator from a resource guide from Google, which I will link in the description. And then you will type in colon, and now you're gonna find your IP address. Now the easiest way is to go on Google and just type in what's my IP. Scroll down, and there is your IP. Copy that, go back to Google Analytics, and then paste that in here. Select active and hit save. And now you have excluded your home IP address using this filter.